Welcome back. Just to show you how easy it is to use our Add-A-Circuit kit, we're going to fire our John Deere up and show you how to cycle between the two modes and how you can easily go from your thumb to your other implement in just a matter of seconds. So here we go. So right now we have it on thumb mode. Just reach down, flip the lever. Now we're on our bucket mode. Bring that back around, switch it back over, and that quick I'm right back to thumb mode. On these John Deeres it's really handy because the window goes up, but even when you have the window down you can kick it open and that valve is right there at your fingertips.